Welcome back to the ISNaDBiblio tutorial series. In Module 20, we turn to the Historiograph. This module draws the intellectual lineage of a field. It does so by linking the articles inside your own dataset that cite one another.
Let us begin by opening the Historiograph menu. At the top of the page, you will find a short explanation of what a historiograph is.
The key difference works like this. Other citation modules count how often an article is cited by the outside world. The historiograph looks only at citations that happen inside your own dataset. What it draws then is the internal conversation of a field. In other words, how one article builds on the findings of an earlier one. You can set the minimum citation threshold and the year range first. After that, press the Generate button to build the graph. Look at the summary that appears, the number of articles, the number of citation links, and how many articles are actually connected. An unconnected article neither cites nor is cited by any other article in this dataset.
Now let us read the graph itself.
The horizontal axis is the year of publication, so time flows from left to right. Each node is a single article, and its size reflects how many citations it has received. The arrows run from the citing article towards the article being cited. A long chain of arrows reveals a line of intellectual descent, from the pioneering work down to the most recent one. For anyone writing a literature review, this chain is the storyline most worth telling as the development of the field. With that, we have walked through the entire Historiograph module. You can now see how ideas were handed down within this field. In the next module, we enter the Citation Integrity Audit group. See you there.